What's up guys, Alireza here, and in this video I'll cover how to make this day and night cycle in Unreal. As you can see, the directional light is rotating around the scene and it will change the lighting and also the sky from day to night. I can also press a key on the keyboard to stop the sound whenever I want. It's a very simple and straightforward setup, so let's dive right in and see how it's done. I'm going to use a directional light and a sky sphere blueprint in my scene, and that's all I need for the light setup in this tutorial. Delete all of the light actors in your level to start from scratch and then drag a directional light into the scene. Set its mobility on movable so we are able to move it in game. By holding Ctrl and L and then moving your mouse, you can change the direction of the light. What we want to do here is to be able to rotate it all around the level, and this way we can replicate the cycle between day and night. Another actor we want to use is the BP Sky Sphere. So here type Sky Sphere and drag it into the scene. This is a blueprint and has a couple of really cool and useful features. It has its own sun, and here in the details tab we can control its settings. Here I can put the height on -1, and now you can see that we have a very beautiful night sky with glowing stars. Here you are able to play with stars brightness and make them shinier if you like. Let's put the height back to 0.5, and now you are also able to play with cloud speed, cloud opacity, and also the color of the sky. What we want to do here is to link the sky sphere with the directional lights so they can work hand in hand. Here I can hit this icon here and select the directional light and sync it with the blueprint. Now when I change the rotation of the directional light using Ctrl L, I can go to the sky sphere and move the height and sync them with each other. For some reason it does not update immediately after we move the directional light, and we have to move the slider to match the sun height with the directional light. It will snap to the position of the directional light as soon as we touch it, and it won't accept any other values. Alright, now let's put the rotation of the directional light on 0, 45 and 0 and then match it with the sky sphere. Now let's open up the level blueprint and make the code for the rotation of the sun. Here we want to get a reference to the sun, so in the level editor select the directional light, and then here in the event graph right click and hit create reference to directional light. Now we want to add actor local rotation and then call it with an event tick. Here we need a value for the rotation, and we are gonna use the delta seconds to define the value. Let's create a variable, name it speed and put it on float. Compile to be able to set the value and go for something like 20. This is going to be the speed of the rotation of the sun, and it will be multiplied by the delta seconds in the event tick. So drag a wire, type multiply and connect the speed variable to the second pin. As you can see, we are not able to connect it to the rotation value of the function because they have different formats. We need a make rotator node to translate the float to rotation, and now we are able to give it to the function. We also want the rotation to be around Y, so hold Ctrl and plug the wire into pitch instead of roll. The last step here is to update the sun direction of the sphere. So let's go back to the level, select the sky sphere, and then in the event graph create a reference to it. Then drag a wire, type update sun direction and connect it to the rotation function. Let's compile and play the game, and now we can see that everything is working perfectly. The directional light is rotating around the scene, and the sky sphere blueprint is updating with it immediately. If you want to be able to stop the sun whenever you want, all we need is a key input and a boolean. Let's go back to the event graph, and after the event tick add a branch. Then create a boolean variable, name it stop and drag it into the event graph. Put it on the getter and use it as the condition of the branch. Hit compile to be able to change the value, and then here set it on true. It means that when the boolean is true, everything works like before, and when it is changed to false, everything will stop and nothing will happen anymore. In order to change the boolean in game, we need a keyboard input. So here type keyboard, select one of these guys here and then change it to whatever you like. I'm going with E, and now what I need is a flip-flop. Then let's drag the stop boolean into the event graph and hit set. Now let's duplicate it and then connect it to the B output. What this means is that when I hit E on the keyboard, the boolean will be set on false and the rotation here will stop. When I press E again, it will be set on true and the rotation will take place, and so on. The final step here is to enable input so the key can work. Here add an event begin play, then add enable input, and for the player controller we need a get player controller node. Now everything is set and we are ready to go. As you can see, when I play the game, the sun starts to rotate, and when I hit E, it stops, and when I hit E again, it will continue its movement. Yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. There are a couple of different ways to set and control the rotation, and I'll cover them in the next video about this topic. Thank you guys for watching, see you in the next one.